Hi everybody, Francesca Verri here. It's a beautiful day here in the Northeast. Spring is totally sprung and I've been doing so much stuff in the house. I want to get outside, but it just makes me want to organize something. And so it's been on my mind all week. I've posted a few pictures about certain ways to organize drawers. I did something with some socks. And this comes off the heels of working with a client, and I actually implemented what's called the filing system. Ironically, the filing system of filing t-shirts and shirts or anything that goes into a drawer. It saves so much space. So some of you might know of the Marie Kondo method. She talks about rolling things, and I did that for my daughter's drawer, and I'm actually gonna head into her room next. She's so excited to file her shirts because I'm realizing that I've rolled them, and that made the biggest difference in the world versus stacking them on top of each other, because she could really see. But I'm finding that space-wise, her drawers are significantly smaller than mine. And space-wise, it doesn't seem to be working as well. So I've posted a before picture of the drawer I'm about to show you, and I can't even believe how much space I have. I have so much space, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna have to get some drawer dividers. Let me just show you what it looks like. I'll have to get some drawer dividers. So the before picture, this was all taken, right? So I did all of my short sleeve shirts by color, of course, and then I did all the long sleeve shirts, and then I got in the mood to just do my tank top drawer. I'm a tank top lover and wearer, so I decided to color code those. There's just so much more there's actually, it's not even that there's so much more space in here. I just can see very clearly what I own, how much I own, and that is the important thing, people. Knowing what you own, how much, what have you. So I'm trying to get this camera correct here. So I just wanted to show you that, and maybe it inspires you to do that with your own drawer. And this is the key with organizing anything. So you might say, oh my God, I want to feel lighter and what have you. And I always tell people, the best piece of advice is, obviously you can't eat an elephant whole. One bite at a time, right? Otherwise you get indigestion. And so that's what I'm saying. Like, you would take one drawer of your dresser, and maybe it's the drawer where all the t-shirts are. Maybe you have t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, maybe you have a whole bunch of things in one drawer, and you don't know which is which. It's hard to divide a drawer, actually, when you have so much stuff in there. So empty everything out. Sort the items. T-shirts, tank tops, long sleeve shirts, for instance. You can do it with your socks, athletic socks versus socks that you might wear with dress clothes. You could do it with bras and underwear, or for you men out there, underwear and undershirts, perhaps. And then you're gonna weed out what looks old, what you don't wear. I weeded out a few things that I just, I knew that were in here, and it's not like I was looking for a tremendous amount more space, but why am I keeping something that I'm not wearing? And I'm gonna ask you the same thing. So it's spring, people, it's spring. Oh, I have to get outside. It's so beautiful out. So I want you to now look at those clothes that you're gonna wanna wear for spring, the t-shirts, the lighter, long sleeve shirts, the tank tops, and I want you to weed out what you don't like, what you don't need, what you haven't worn. Let's be honest here, what you haven't worn. And if it's kind of dingy, gone. And then I want you to reorganize your drawer so you can see very clearly what you own. So when it comes time and it's warm, you know exactly what to grab and to wear. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'll be back soon with more. Bye.